Good morning. Happy hump day. It's Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen, so that means you're halfway through the week. Today we're going to take a break from our project and we're going to log into Holt McDougall. So I'm looking at a student edition right now. So this is something a lot of people are like, well, I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do. All right, well, here we go. I'm going to tell you what we do for those of you that haven't been paying attention all year when we go online, okay? So some of you are like, I do not see the assignment. Well, if you look, here are the assignments. But yes, I don't see 16.4. That's what we're doing today. If you guys look at our calendar, boom, right here on Wednesday, we're going to complete 16.5. I'm sorry, I said 16.4. We're going to complete 16.5. That is going to be that's going to teach you how to do histograms, okay? So let's go back to our Holt McDougall. So we're going to front load so that you guys know how to do histograms tomorrow so you can do it for your project, okay? Notice I'm in my assignments. There's this little bar right here that will allow you to scroll. So you can either click on it, hold it, and drag it down if you want. Or I just like to get my mouse in here. Oh, boom, here it is. So I just scroll. I put my mouse in there and then I can scroll just this little section right here. Down at the bottom is 16.5 histograms interactive student lesson. So I'm even going to get in this thing for you guys, okay? So we're logged in, we're going in. You guys are very familiar with GoMath, okay? It's going to have an essential question. Then you can go to the Explore.
The members of the high school basketball.
I'm going to pause that, sorry. Then we can go to the Explain. You need to do all the colors. So green, blue, purple. Then you're going to get
now
to
let's practice with
Elaborate.
The personal math trainer.
And some of you guys are stopping here. That's only part of your grade. I maybe gave you a 2, okay? You need to finish with the red. You have to do the whole assignment, okay? We're not in class anymore, so we don't get to choose what we are and are not going to do these days. So you need to complete the entire assignment for a grade. This is for a grade. This is your second grade of the week, okay? And again, this is due by Friday, so if you don't get it done today, maybe you do half today, half tomorrow, that's fine. But then when you get into the red, that's the big one,
math trainer.
okay? Evaluate's the big one. And then all you got to do is click on the whistle here. And here you go. You're going to have yourself around nine questions or so, okay? And again, you guys can use the view and example, you can use the step-by-step, and then you can use your textbook, and you can use me, okay? Remember, we can FaceTime, we can interact, and I can help you through this. I can see your screen if you need it from 12 to 4, Monday through Friday, okay? I'm answering your emails and Google Hangouts all day long, but if you want to FaceTime me and get some serious math help, just one-on-one, I will do that for you. And then next week's going to look a little bit different. So stay tuned. I'm going to reach out to you guys by the end of the week. And we're going to talk about maybe having a live lesson next week. Okay. So that's what you're doing today. Okay. If you don't know how to log into Holt McDougall, go back to your Google Classroom and then go and find the assignment that is how to log into Holt McDougall online and watch that video. Okay. If you still can't log in with your password, write me and I'll get you in, okay? I'm being really good about answering those emails, all right? So today, all you're doing is completing 16.5. Now, keep in mind, if you haven't found your mean, your median, your mode, your range, and your outlier, or collected in your data, obviously you got to make that up. But if you're on task, you watched the video Monday and collected your data, yesterday you found all the mean, median, mode, range, and outliers, then today's super easy. You're going to do 16.5 lesson, the whole lesson, turn it in, boom, you're done, okay? Again, if you have any questions, just ask. I'll be around all day. We can FaceTime, we can email, we can Google Hangout, whatever you need to do, okay? All right, hope you have a good day. Enjoy your Wednesday, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.